have recently got a new bird because my Lighty bird has flown away. This is the new bird. When we took him out of the cage, he was so scared at first. We started feeding him Cerelac at first, but then we started feeding him seeds. This is my new bird because my last bird, Lighty, recently flew away. So we bought this one. It was a small boy. And we started feeding him Cerelac at first. It was a small baby, but then we put a plate that has real seeds on it. He started eating the seeds, so we took away the Cerelac and we did not feed it him anymore. And now this is what he's doing.
Now this is what he's doing. He's very cold and he wants to sleep, and now he's hot.
He's getting warm?
He's getting warmer. This bird is so important to me. It's very sad that it's sick. It has a cold. And we're trying to make it better.
And he's very nice, and she's a girl and a boy. And that he's very nice, and he runs all around.
What's its name, Sidra?
His name Purpley and Sky.
And his nickname is Sky. Bye, guys.
Bye.